uThando Nesithembu season 9 episode 15. Yabona fanele siqale sibuyele ku episode 14 ebit also cause uMusa guys yabona uNdabe umngane wakhe. I think the other therapist is better ngoba uyi therapist like for real, you know. Ay uNdabe zingathi ubuya msabi uMusa. I think they are friends. It's more like, okay, so how do you feel, my friend? Like, you can't go on like that. But you therapist, yomuntu. Those are crazy things. Guys, uMusa Mseligu, or should I say Justin Mseligu, is ngivele ngibabhanqe bonke ngibahlanganise because I'm just like, ayibo. Igaxa. And then apparently uMusa once said to Makhumalo, fanele ungabonisa abantu indlu yakho. Cause angeke aze afford ukuthekela laba abanye omama. I'm like, uMusa nje guys uyalwisa, like I said on another video last week, ukuthi uMusa uyalwisa. Uyena olwisa labo mama. As umama ngaba right if uMusa was fine. Ngoba manje i-problem with him ne uyiphiqiphiqi and he goes around telling them izinto asho something else, asho something else. And then you look at the other wife like ayibo. Lo uthini ngamhla, let's make an example and say uMakhomalo for example. And uyabona manje ukuthi it's not looking nice around labo mama lapha bakho right. And ukuthakathaka eqala kanje isithenjini. Because then they look at each other like, okay, lo uzombonisa. Uyayibona manje like uMusa who created it. He's definitely an instigator, Umus. He's the one. So Umusa basically is the one who creates an omona around his wives because I don't think iba nenkinga ukuthi umuntu uthenge isithabathaba singaka sisters or sisters lo uMakhomalo, because guys at the end of the day she makes more money than the other ladies. Umuntu has brands ubizwa ngapha nangapha futhi it's getting worse every day. Into yakhona bambiza ngapha nangapha bambala nansi brand nangu malini. You know how futhi brands pay. They will be like mhlambe here is the 200,000, we're going to give you this much for the next 6 months, which is right. This is what you must do for us. And then the next thing, brothers, uyena wenza babe kanje labo mama. Njengamanje abafunani labo mama. Just the two actually get along with uMakhomalo no Mangwabe, but there's serious beef going on here. And nakhona why must I explain myself ngithenga indlu sengisho uMakhomalo ke phela. Why must you explain yourself when you're working for it? That's just what's crazy about that. She doesn't have to justify herself and her money, you know. Umayeni had a session with Nonto Ekonyuluka basically taking everything out of her ukuthi yazini nami nako kungiphatha kabi. So during that session again, she said some skakas there. I'm just like in awe. And then that whole thing yokuthi ena uMusa needs more therapy than the wives something that did mention actually something like that. But my thing is that uMusa le nto yakhe ukuthi wakhule ngena baba guys bangana labantu abakhule ngena bobaba. You know, the only thing that I like about Musa now compared to what I've seen even around my own situations ukuthi growing up without a father doesn't mean ukuthi nawe fanele utreat ingane zakho zingamazo babapha. uMusa the only thing I like about him ukuthi uyazazi ingane zakhe. He changed that. That's enough. Lento lose manje sibiyele move ukuthi oh no uMusa akamazi ubabakhe so he needs therapy. No, he doesn't. Fine ke uyirezile uMusa le nto kundabe yokuthi hey you know yabo nje kungabi nababa akhuliswa ugogo wami konke lokho. All of us guys akhuliswa ugogo, most of us, you know, and asibazo baba bethu, and it's fine guys, we've moved on. Asinayo nenkinga no baba bethu. Although these things I can feel ukuthi they repeat history, but it's all good guys. I mean, you need to move on and start all over and do better like how Musa has done with his children. Do you think uMayeni is insensitive umayethi ene uMusa uyazenzisa? Hi guys, go to Musa phela wayigula serious guys. Ever say at some stage Musa couldn't even walk guys, and you know they will never show us those things as kanjalo. When Musa is frail, ephela nje, you just feel like you feeling like he's perishing, you know. And then there's the stories ukuthi uMusa wakwazi ukuthi ukwenza ingane noMakhwela. There was nothing wrong with him. Wayehamba amahhotela noMakhwela. How guys? Kufana nalento le yokuthi uMayini wayengafuni ukukhokhela i-hospital bill, and uMayini was just like, you know what, now I'm just gonna tell my truth. Because guys, mina always siyuthekana abantu when they want to tell their story. Because you're gonna be coming, like, it's my story, guys, please. Like, how am I lying? So ngikhulumela uMayini ngithi lapho the whole thing yokuthi nje kwangina lento yokuthi ngingafuna ukukhokha. And then uMusa comes up with some crazy story sokuthi listen mina ngiyaphuma kuwena ngoba anyway na futhi ungafuna ukukhokha ibhili yami. Hey guys, it's the only thing like that. You know why? Because angithi uzwe ngalabo abanye omama uthi hayi lo wayeneyinkinga zokukhokha uMayini. How? Guys, is there something else you can tell your wife? Ukuthi ngiyaphuma kuwena. Mina ngingaphuma actually as your wife. Mina ngingaphuma like for real. Ngidlale nawe. And then if usubuka kahle, all these 4 wives, their relationships now have a very serious dent. And into efanele yenzeke, they need to have their own session bewu-4 bezokwazi ukuthi baxolelane moving forward. Because uyambona ukuthi uMusa uNtshontshala uyiphiqiphiqi, bangalibizi iphiqiphiqi in that meeting. You understand? And be like, yo, yazini guys, asikhulumisaneni. Because ngiyakutshela yabo le nzondo is gonna go to other levels if it's not controlled now by the 4 of them. Miyekele uMakhwele oqala futhi I even feel like uMakhola ngithi usamncane. So wakadlali nabantu abalingana naye. So njengamanje ngiconcentrate ngabantu abawu-4. Futhi vele akekho kulama session akakangeni nje kulo phiqiphiqi that uMusa has created here. Uyayibona leyo nto. You know, macele siza uMusa for exactly who he is. Yeah, he sees right through him now. Siyambona uyakhala ngaphakathi. It's just like, yo, le ndoda le iphiqiphiqi nje. Siyambona. To think ukuthi uMacele no, uMacele used to like believe in Musa so much. Wayefan kaMusa literally. So uMakhumalo ke kwi-session yakhe ke noNonto ke, she was sitting there crying, ekhalela uNonto the therapist, ekhalela ukuthi all these other 3 wives never really accepted her to this day. I'm just like, now Makhumalo needs to come down, bro. Just move on certain things, guys, and concentrate on your life and your situations. Sometimes we spend our time concentrating on people's feelings towards us instead of just be like, whatever, you accept me or not, can I just move on now? Yena inzima indaba kaMselikweni, especially mase funzana noMakhwela ama-strawberries, kodwa mesifika kuMayini usayangingiza. Athi uMayini yazi mina ngixakala, usayangingiza la, usile kahle hle uMusa, usile, usayangingiza kodwa kade kufunzwana ama-strawberries la. He was on top of the world la. He was on cloud 9, manje usezongigulela la. And uMusa was just nje relaying the fact that uMangwabe is stubborn, basically. Uthi and uMangwabe vele, she's like that. Mase shilo into, akumna isikhathi eyibeyisa kuMangwabe kodwa ko season 7, season 8. Mase tell angithi she's one of the people who was just like, no, actually I'm coming out of this marriage, mina I'm done. Wabuya-ke ngendlela zakhe angimazi mhlawumbe wayefuna ifame yini ku-TV. Like sometimes ngifila kanjalo ukuthi uMangwabe is very strange. Very, very, very strange. Benoma yini. Hayi. Bakwenye nje level yapha. Ngifuna ukubajaja, to be honest with you, but I'm just saying, you know. And uMusa bese khama nestory sokuthi no, mina I can apologize. But I mean guys, ungakhuluma uku-apologize in words, you know, but ama-actions akhathini to show ukuthi you are sorry. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. So uMusa guys athi amakhosikazi ami mina ngixolisa kakhulu futhi mangingaxolisa like mina ngiyakwazi ukuxolisa. How? Guys, all uNdabe was saying to him ukuthi listen, mawuxolisa akwenze sense uxolisa kwakho. Usikhathi labafazi bafunana. I like the fact that uMusa is actually acknowledging ukuthi, you know what, mina umuntu ongekho ongenalo iqiniso, because there's way he says yazi uMakhumalo angisakwazi nokuya kwakhe because mina nayazwana. So uyabona ukuthi uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi no, actually I'm not great. I can see ama-mistakes I will fix them. Like I said in 2 weeks ago ukuthi uMusa fanele fixe nje indle yakhe. All the bafazi is there. That's all he must do, this guy. Like there's nothing there in the bayilwelayo. Bayilwela nje futhi nokuthi urana aqinisa. Phela. And they're gonna be fine, I think, with time. Yeah. Guys, ngizoke ngime lapho yini for now, because I need to do episode 16 and sengicishe ngakhuluma some of the stuff there on the episode 16, but I'll just finish it off later. But nje yabona yazini akusekho mnandi. Mthandi Nesithembu, yeah, things are not nice, and yambona nje umama wakho umama, she's just like, oh, plus nginayo yonke imali. Can I just get out now? I'm done. Like, before they tell her again, I made you. Gaba waziwa if it wasn't for me and Thando and Nesithembu, you know? So much, guys. Ngithanda over.